Hello student, this is Poonam Dandare, Assistant Professor of Department of Information Technology of Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Today we will see the first program of Object Oriented Methodology, that is the program to implement various control structure. That means for using the for loop and while loop. In this program we have seen the factorial of the given number by using the for loop and while loop. So first we have see the factorial. That means factorial of any number, that is n, is the product of all positive descending integers. That means factorial of n is denoted by n factorial. So for example, if we want to do the factorial of 4, so that means it is the descending integer. That means factorial of 4 is denoted as the 4 factorial equals to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and you have to do the product of all the given integers. That means it gives the result 24. So this is the factorial. Now we have moved the program. So in this program, first we initialize the header file, that is iostream.h and conio.h. Under iostream.h there are two functions. First is the cout and second is the cin. Cout means that is it is used to print the message on the output screen or print or any other messages on the output screen. And next is the cin. Cin is same working as the scanf function, that means to read the input and to store the input in the variable. So and next is the hash. That means hash is the preprocessor directive where we can use the functions which is stored in the C++ database. Now we enter in the main function. That means main function is entry point of functions or program of, that is the execution of the program. That is the from the main function we start the execution of program. So in this program, first we create a integer variable to store the number. Then first we create and first compute, that means we have to compute reads the number to find the factorial of the number from the user. We take a positive integer from the user and compute the factorial using for loop or while loop. We print the error message if the user enters a negative number, because the factorial is generally find for the positive number. There is the no concept for the negative number. So we print the error message if the user enters the negative number. Then we have the using for loop we have to print the, that means we have used the for loop here and the while loop also first, but in this program we have generally used the for loop. So for loop, that means using the for loop, the value of I is multiplied with the value of fact. Initially we have initialized the fact variable equals to 1. The loop continue till the value of n, that for example when the user enters a positive integer say 4, for loop is executed and computes the factorial. The program runs until the statement I is greater than equals to number becomes false. This prints factorial of 4 equals to 24 on the screen. At last we hear the getch function, that means to hold the output screen. So this is the factorial program by using the for loop and while loop. So in for loop and while loop there is a difference to write between the syntax. In for loop, in one line we have write the first initialize, that is the initialization of variable, next is the condition, and third part is the increment of the that particular variable. This is the for syntax, for loop syntax. In while loop we have first initialize the variable at the top of the, that means when we have initialize the variable, after that in while loop we have write the condition, and in inside the while loop we have increment that particular variable. So there is the small difference between in the syntax in for loop and in while loop. So this is all about the factorial program. Now we have compiled the program, so we have go to the compile tab, and we have, and you can also use the that is the shortcut Alt F9. So first compile the program, there is no error, so press any key. After that we have run the program by going to the run tab, that is the enter any number. So I just enter the 4. It is stored in the number variable. So factorial of 4 is 24. So this is all about the program for the factorial. So thank you.